Hey guys, a few days ago, Nicki was doing something pretty weird. Then Shadow ran away. Pikachu ran away. She decided to do something with, what's it called? Shadow. Here. It was something a little like this. Here. Wanna see it? I will show it to you. Here, look at Nicki for a second. So, yeah, that's right. She was having it with Shadow. It's a shadow. You don't do it that to shadows. Just bite it. Oh well. And she was having it on. It's like a hurricane after a rainbow, and that's like so, yeah. And they were having it on, and I mean on. It was like worse than these things, and also I'm singing a song called. Yeah, and that's pretty freaky. But they were having it on, and I'm not trying to steal Ray's thunder, but that is a cool viral video. I mean, when do you see cockatiels having it on? I mean, that's like amazing. I mean, look at the fish with that. Look at it. Oh yeah, yeah. I'll give me some more. Give me some more. And this one's just like relaxed. It's like, oh yeah, here comes the tea bag. The tea bag. It's starting to hurt. Starting to hurt. Starting to hurt. Oh yeah. Look at my little cheek. So that's what happened. And I'll just like say, what's the weirdest thing your pet's ever done? That's one of the weirdest. Trust me. The man now I'm talking to on the phone, so yeah. I'm not trying to steal Ray's thunder, but that was so amazing. I mean, that's a one viral video that deserves to be viral. I mean, look at it. Look at its tail. I mean, how it's moving. I mean, even this one's working. It's moving his tail. That's just moving that one, and that one's the one actually working. So, what's the weirdest thing your pet's ever done? Shadow, tell us what to do. Leave a comment on the commenter below. Good job. I'll give you a melody later. But, yep, there they are. Bam. So, I'm going to leave you guys hanging. And what's the weirdest thing your pet's ever done? Like I said a couple of times. So, I'm going to go now.